Hi, I'm Ronald, and today I went to Hong Kong. Well, via Google Maps, I mean. With the pandemic and all, I badly miss going outside and do urban sketches. And since I really need to fill the pages of my sketchbook, I have decided to do another virtual sketch again. But this time I went to Hong Kong and in time for the Lunar New Year. I did one last month which was in Paris, so feel free to check that out. I'll be leaving the link in the description below or at the end of this video. And expect me to do more of this since I probably have 10 pages left on my sketchbook, and I'm excited to share all my sketches and do a sketchbook tour hopefully soon. Okay, back to our content. It took me around 1 hour touring the streets of Hong Kong and found this corner located, I forget the name, it's in 31 Tong Sing Road. I have no idea what's written on the store signs, but I find this corner very interesting for a sketch, so I saved a screenshot and sketched away. Again, I will be leaving you with the rest of the time lapse. Hope you enjoy. So here's the final sketch. I am 100% sure I messed up the Chinese characters on the store sign, so I am really sorry for that. I don't know what's written, but I tried to draw it in the best of my abilities. If you have any suggestions on where I should go next, feel free to leave a comment. Also, if you like my content, please do subscribe if not done already. Probably leave a like and share. Feel free to follow me on my other socials, and thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.